Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English listening practice podcast.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
If you want to improve your English while enjoying wonderful stories, then you are in the right place.
Today, we have some beautiful fairy tales for you.
These stories are full of kind people, clever ideas, magical places, and happy surprises.
Listen carefully to the words and enjoy the adventure.
Don't worry if you do not understand every word.
Just relax and let the stories help your English grow.
Are you ready?
Then let's begin our fairy tale journey.
Long ago, beside a quiet forest, there was a small village.
The people there worked hard every day.
They grew flowers, baked bread, and helped one another.
In that village lived a kind girl named Lily.
Lily was not rich.
She lived with her old grandmother in a tiny wooden house.
Every morning, Lily picked flowers from the garden.
She sold them in the village market.
One sunny morning, Lily walked into the forest to find fresh flowers.
As she walked, she heard a tiny voice.
"Please help me."
Lily looked around.
She could not see anyone.
Then she looked down.
A little fairy with shining wings was trapped under a fallen branch.
The fairy looked very tired.
Lily gently lifted the branch.
The fairy smiled with joy.
"Thank you," said the fairy. "Most people never notice me." Lily smiled.
Everyone deserves help.
The fairy touched Lily's hand.
Tiny golden lights danced around them.
"I cannot give you gold," said the fairy.
"But I can give you something even better."
Lily looked surprised.
"From today, every flower you grow will bring happiness."
Lily thanked the fairy.
Then the little fairy disappeared into the sunlight.
Lily returned home.
She planted new flowers.
Soon the garden became more beautiful than ever. People came from many villages to buy her flowers. They said the flowers made them smile. Some people felt peaceful. Others remembered happy memories.
Lily never became proud.
She still shared flowers with lonely people.
She gave free flowers to children.
She visited sick neighbors.
Her kindness became famous everywhere.
One evening, the fairy returned.
She looked pleased.
"Your greatest magic is not my gift."
Your greatest magic is your kind heart.
Lily smiled.
She finally understood that kindness is the strongest magic of all.
That was such a lovely story.
I really liked Lily.
She helped someone without asking for a reward.
Sometimes the smallest kind act changes everything.
Have you ever helped someone without expecting anything back?
Maybe you helped a friend.
Maybe you shared your lunch.
Even a smile can brighten someone's day.
Now, are you ready for another fairy tale?
Let's continue.
On top of a green hill stood an old castle.
Most people believed it was empty.
But every full moon, soft music came from inside.
A young boy named Oliver wanted to know the truth.
One evening, he climbed the hill.
The castle gate slowly opened.
Oliver felt nervous.
Still, he walked inside.
The rooms were clean.
Fresh flowers stood by the windows.
Suddenly, a gentle voice spoke.
"Welcome, young traveler."
Oliver turned around.
Before him stood an old woman wearing a silver dress.
She smiled kindly.
"I am the castle keeper."
Oliver asked why she lived alone.
The woman sighed.
Long ago, this castle was filled with laughter. But people became greedy. They cared more about gold than friendship.
One by one, they left.
Oliver looked around the quiet hall. It suddenly felt lonely. The old woman smiled again. "Would you like to hear the castle sing?" Oliver nodded. She waved her hand, and beautiful music filled every room.
The walls sparkled.
Tiny lights floated through the air.
It felt like stars had entered the castle.
Oliver laughed with joy.
The old woman smiled.
Music grows stronger when people share happiness.
Before Oliver left, she gave him a small silver bell.
Ring this whenever someone feels lonely.
Oliver thanked her.
Back in the village, he rang the bell.
Children came running.
Families gathered together.
Soon everyone was singing.
The lonely village became full of laughter.
Years later, people called Oliver the friend of the hill.
He never forgot the lesson.
A happy heart becomes even happier when it is shared.
Oh, I loved that story too.
Me too.
It reminds us that friendship is more valuable than treasure.
And music has a special way of bringing people together.
Let's hear one more magical fairy tale.
This one begins beside a quiet river.
Near the river lived a young fisherman named Noah.
Every day, he worked from sunrise until sunset.
One rainy afternoon, his fishing net caught something unusual.
It was not a fish.
It was a tiny glass bottle.
Inside the bottle sat a little fairy.
She looked worried.
Noah quickly opened the bottle.
The fairy flew into the air.
"Thank you," she said.
I have been trapped for many years.
Noah smiled.
I'm glad you are free.
The fairy asked, "What is your greatest wish?"
Noah thought carefully.
He did not ask for gold.
He did not ask for a palace.
He simply said,
I wish every family in this village always has enough food.
The fairy smiled brightly.
Golden light covered the river.
The water became clear and full of fish.
The trees produced sweet fruit.
The fields became green again.
From that day forward, no one in the village went hungry.
Noah's wish helped everyone, not just himself.
The fairy visited him every spring.
They would sit beside the river and talk about kindness, hope, and dreams.
Noah discovered that true happiness comes from helping others.
And that is a lesson worth remembering every day.
What a beautiful ending.
Yes, it truly is.
Long time ago, beyond the green hills and the blue river, there was a peaceful forest.
In the middle of that forest stood the oldest tree anyone had ever seen.
Its branches reached high into the sky.
Its roots stretched deep into the earth.
The people called it the wishing tree.
But there was a secret.
The tree did not grant every wish.
It only listened to kind hearts.
Near the forest lived a young girl named Anna.
Anna enjoyed helping everyone.
She carried water for her neighbors.
She fed hungry birds every morning.
She planted flowers beside the village road.
One day, a strong storm came.
The wind blew all night.
Heavy rain filled the river.
Many trees fell to the ground.
The next morning, Anna walked into the forest.
She wanted to see if the animals were safe.
She found little rabbits hiding under broken branches.
She gently moved the branches away.
She helped a baby bird back into its nest.
She even shared her lunch with a hungry fox.
The animals looked at her with thankful eyes.
As the sun began to set, Anna reached the wishing tree.
The great tree suddenly glowed with soft golden light.
A gentle voice spoke from its branches.
"Kind child, why have you come?"
Anna smiled.
"I did not come to ask for anything."
I only wanted to make sure the forest was safe.
The tree became even brighter.
Tiny lights floated through the air like little stars.
The leaves began to sing in the evening breeze.
The voice spoke again.
Most people come here wishing for riches.
You came wishing for others.
Suddenly, hundreds of colorful flowers appeared around the tree.
Sweet fruit grew on every branch.
Crystal clear water flowed from the roots.
The animals happily gathered around.
Birds filled the sky with beautiful songs.
The wishing tree gave Anna one small seed. Plant this in your village. As long as people stay kind, it will never stop growing. Anna carefully carried the seed home. The whole village helped her plant it. Every family brought water. Every child removed little stones from the ground. Every grandparent shared stories beneath the growing tree. Day after day, the tiny seed became stronger. Soon, it became a beautiful tree. It gave cool shade during summer. It gave sweet fruit every autumn. Birds built happy homes in its branches. Travelers rested beneath it. Children laughed around it every evening. The village became known as the Kind Village.
People traveled from far away just to see the magical tree.
Many visitors asked Anna what the secret was.
She always smiled and gave the same answer.
Kindness grows faster than magic.
Years passed,
Anna became older.
but every spring, tiny golden lights danced around the tree.
The villagers believed the old wishing tree was saying hello.
And perhaps it really was. Emily, every story today had something in common. That's true.
None of the heroes wanted to become rich.
They wanted to help others.
Lily helped a fairy.
Oliver shared music and friendship.
Noah wished food for everyone.
Anna protected the forest and cared for every living thing.
These stories remind us that true magic lives inside a kind heart.
Fairy tales may not always be real,
But the lessons are real every single day.
a smile is real.
Friendship is real.
Hope is real.
Kindness is real.
Maybe tomorrow you can help someone.
Maybe you can make someone smile.
Maybe your small action will become someone else's happy memory.
That is a wonderful kind of magic.
We hope you enjoyed listening to these fairy tales.
We also hope you learned some new English words today.
Listening every day is one of the best ways to improve your English.
Don't worry about understanding every word.
Keep listening.
Keep learning.
And most importantly,
Keep enjoying the journey.
thank you so much for spending your time with us.
We truly appreciate every one of you.
If you enjoyed today's fairy tales,
Please give this video a big thumbs up.
don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English listening practice episode.
Share this podcast with your friends and family who are learning English.
Learning together is always more fun.
Tell us in the comments.
Which fairy tale was your favorite?
Was it Lily and the Little Fairy?
Oliver and the Singing Castle?
Noah and the River Fairy?
Or Anna and the Wishing Tree?
We'd love to hear your answer.
Until next time,
Keep listening,
keep smiling.
keep believing in kindness, and keep practicing your English every single day. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!